Hey girl,
Hi!
what you doing?
I'm actually just building this little stand. This little, dryer for the stove that I'm going to install. Since you know that my bed is pretty much done, I just have to put the cushions on. Have a look. So I already put some stuff inside to store it, and it fits perfectly. I was building this little dryer and I used the wood that we threw out, actually the old wood, since it was the rest from the build out. And I think I'm gonna do a little dryer with like a sliding cabinet. How do you say that? I don't even know. Like something that slides out so it's easier to reach. Today's video is not about conversion on the van, because I feel like I've been doing this the last few videos, but that's what I was doing, so I couldn't really talk about many different things. But today I want to show you actually something really amazing that I bought, and I'm really super excited to test it. I believe that I got a really cheap and easy solution to shower inside the van without building a fixed shower. It is light, it's portable, it's super handy, and I believe that this shower is something really amazing, especially for the winter time. As you maybe remember in my other video where I was presenting you 6 ways to shower, they were separated into summer and winter edition. I think this is a beautiful way to shower as well in summer as in winter, but even more so in winter, because you can stay inside your van, especially if you have a high top and you can really stand. I promise you, you'll get a proper shower inside the van. I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like, and let's go. So the first product I want to show you is this. So this is basically a dog pool. I got it from Amazon, and it folds open as much as you need, and it has 30 centimeter in height, so you can actually stand inside to not get the van wet.
You can even open more.
And you can even open it more depending on the size, you know. You can open it more if you need, or less. And compared to other cheaper products like a little swimming pool for babies, you know, these little pools that you have to blow out, you don't have that problem. It stands. You can almost also just sit inside. And it's super handy for smaller vans as well if you can't stand but you want to have a shower and not get the whole van wet. So you don't have to blow it or have a blowing machine to get the little swimming pool like standing. But this stands by itself. I think it's amazing. I didn't test it out yet, but I'm really excited. But I believe it's 100% proof that it will work out. Then, once you're done with the shower, you have this little, what is it called? Like opening that you don't even have to take the whole bucket to sip out the water. It's really easy. You can simply, when you're done with showering, take it and let it run out here in this hole. Of course, for the nature, you would have to use a chemical-free shampoo, something that is not damaging for the nature. So I actually got this too. I think it's really awesome. I'm not gonna show you the brand, but it's from Germany and it's vegan, and this was supposed to be really good to shower outdoors because it's all natural stuff inside. So as I'm standing here, and you know I can stand in my whole van because I'm small and I love this high rooftop. I'm standing here inside. I'll make it a bit bigger than I have to, because to make sure that nothing sips out. This thing cost me 30 bucks. I think it's really cheap, it's really good. Make sure if you ever get this, just Google dog's pool or something. If you ever get this, make sure you get one that is really high, because most of the stuff there are not too high. So get one that is small but really high. I think it's really awesome. Then I have this camping shower. So this cost me 30 euro. And then I have this camping shower that I bought for in summer. This cost me 40. So together now it's 70. And this is like a pumping shower. You basically have to fill in the water. Where is that? Just open this lid, and I'm not gonna do it now, and fill in the water. If you want a warm shower, you can also preheat the water till, let's say, not more than 30 degrees or 35, and put it inside. It's stable. It's 8 liter, And then you can just, even if you want to put it inside the shower or outside, it doesn't matter, but I would say inside is a little bit easier. And then it will fill up, and you have the shower pump. No, what's it called?
Pumper.
Yeah, the
Pumping.
No, this is the pump. Well, you connect this thing to the shower, and it has a little thing to press down. So it really actually works like a shower or like a garden pipe, you know, those things to make the water wet. Actually, when you push it, the water comes out like in a shower. It's long enough. If you have a hook here, I'm just doing it for now. If you have a hook here, you can use it and press it if you need to. Just have a little bit support. Or you can just use it and wash yourself. But this will last maybe 30 seconds of pressing full power, and then you would have to use that to get enough pressure and pump it again, so you can fill up the pressure inside to use the pump. This allows you to shower with 8 liters. Honestly, the way I shower in the summer with that, it was, even with my long hair, I could shower 3 times. And of course, not to forget something else that you need for the van to not get it dirty, a shower curtain. I just got a simple one that you just have to get some hooks on the ceiling. I don't have enough yet, but you can just put it, here's one. You know, there are some tricks, like you can use a hula ring, and just have the whole curtain attached to it and let it run down already. But I believe the hula ring takes a lot of space in the van. You don't want to have a big hula ring in the van and being annoyed. So I have those elastic rubber bands with the hooks. You normally find them for bicycles to get them attached to the back of the bicycles. I made some holes in the curtains, at the shower curtain, and I got around 3 of them, so I can hook it in. I just don't have a hook right now to hook it, but let's say here. And then I have another one. I would say you should get 4 of those so you can make a perfect square. Right now I only have 2 for some reason. Let's say like this and this. Oh, I'm not open this yet now. I'm just leaving this open because of you, so you can see what I'm doing. And then I attach it here to the wall like that. And then you created basically your own little shower inside the van, getting nothing dirty, staying clean, using this water pump. Oh my god, I'm so loving it. I have never tested it before, but I can tell you already that I will love this, especially in winter. I don't have to search for showers outside anymore. I can shower inside the van. This is amazing, especially having the stove. The van will be warm, so I don't have to worry about freezing inside the van. I can warm up the water there. I can use the shower inside of here with the curtain, getting nothing dirty. Have the little easy attachment to let the water run out just outside with no stress. I think this is one of the most amazingest shower ideas that I ever had. I don't know why I haven't come on about this way earlier, because I always had some struggle searching for beach showers or gyms or swimming pools, and this is so easy. I just have to make sure I have enough water inside, and that's it. I would say to have the warm water, don't fill it all the way up till 8 liters, because then it will cool down for the next time. Just use it a little bit, approximately like 3 or as much as you need. If you need more water, it's totally fine, because this has enough space to hold it all. Look at it. Oh, I'm so amazed. I'm loving it. So yeah, I think that was pretty much it to my self-constructed cheap shower inside the van. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful solution, especially if you, like me, traveling in a smaller van and you don't want to build a van shower, which I believe is really a waste of space, to be honest, because you want to feel the van life, but you also want to stay clean. But this is like a cheap 70 euros, 70 bucks, 70 to 80 bucks investment, and you can stay clean instead of getting the whole water system installed inside the van. I believe it's really good for people who want to start van life but don't have too much money to put it all into the installation of the van and into the whole conversion. So yeah, I believe it's amazing. I'm excited to test it out once I'm back on the road, but till then you still have to be a little bit patient, and I'll see you very soon. I'll be back in Germany and then back to the van, and till then, I wish you so much fun, and I'll see you very soon, hopefully in Germany. Bye.
A little jar, passion in me tastes, and it's sweet so far. And I got something of a girl back.